Morning everybody, AJ here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download an attendee list in Microsoft Teams so you can keep track of who's joined your team meeting. Taking an attendee list can be really handy for a number of different reasons. It could be educators trying to keep track of who's joined and who's left the meeting. It could be managers wanting to make sure that everybody's joined the weekly team sync, or many other different options. If you find this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you really want to supercharge the way you use Microsoft Teams, hit that subscribe button as well. And with that being said, let's get into it. You can see here we have the meetings already started. We've got 4 people in here: Alex, Megan, Deborah and myself. And we want to capture the attendance list of who has joined this meeting. To do this is really quite simple. In the top ribbon here, you're going to scroll to the first option, which is your show participants. So we select show participants, and on the right hand side it's going to show you everybody that's within that meeting. At the top it says participants, and to the right of that it's got the ellipses. And remember, whenever there's an ellipses in Microsoft programs, it always means more. So if you select the ellipses, it's going to give you 2 options. One is to manage your permissions. If you haven't seen the video on managing permissions, I definitely recommend checking that out. But for today, we want to select the option of download attendee list. We'll select the option to download the attendee list, and you'll see a few seconds later down the bottom, you have a notification saying one file was downloaded. So I've just scrolled over to my downloads folder, open up the Excel. You can see there's quite a bit of detail here. You can see the names of the people that have joined. You can see what their actions were when they joined or when they left the meeting, and you can also see the timestamps. So this is really quite a bit of information to see who's joined your meeting, but also how long they were in that meeting for. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you really want to supercharge the way you use Microsoft Teams, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time, and have a great weekend. Bye.